Can this paint gun give you a professional result at home? In today's video, I'm going to test the Pinto GT by Tilswall, and we're gonna test it on our hood for the 2017 Golf R. So let's find out. Alright guys, so we get inside this first layer of the parts. We get the spray gun, very nice looking, not heavy, and we get the nozzle, which is a 1.5 with the head right here, and then the second nozzle is a 1.7 with the head as well, and then we get this pin that goes inside, and this is the second one, I'm assuming. On the second part we get the cup for the paint. There you go. And we got those pieces right here, and there is another one. It's a filter as well. We get regulators with the name of the company as well. Looks like it's sturdy, it's heavy a little bit. And we get an air filter as well that will connect on the bottom. I'm gonna show you all of those parts, how you can connect them as well. We get this one for the gasket. We get an adapter as well if we want to use the adapter instead of the regular cup. Okay, so this is for the connection that goes to the hose, the air hose. Okay, and the cleaning supply as well. They did not forget about cleaning the spray gun, because we have to clean it anytime you use it if you want to keep it for a long time. Okay, so another cleaning supply as well, and to open the nozzle as well. I think that will be it. Now let's put it together, and that's the one. It's already here. Let me make sure that's the one, and this is to take off this nozzle, and I'm just gonna read. Oh, there you go, it's 1.3 guys, so I think I'm good about this part. That's what I'm going to be using. And then we're gonna connect the regulators right here, and we're gonna use the gaskets as well, so there is no air, not gonna waste no air in this paint gun. That's it. Then connect the regulator right here. Okay, I always want the regulator to be on this side like this, so when I'm using it I will know if I want to adjust the air or not, so it can be easier. Like I'm spraying, I can just adjust it like this and they can see if it's correct or not. Very good, like that. And then I'm gonna connect the filter, air filter. I'm gonna do the same thing as well. And tell me, how did I learn all this stuff? I'm not a mechanic, never was working on a body shop as well. Just learn it on as I go. This is what I like, and I like to share it with you guys at the same time. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Not something rocket science. You try first, you will mess up something, then you learn from it, and that's how is life about. Life is about learning. As long as you are in life, learning will never stop. Okay, so the filter is already 100% connected as well, and now we're gonna move to set up the paint gun as well. So let's do it right now. Okay guys, and this is the last part. This is what we're gonna connect last, so we can connect it to the air compressor hose. Just put it like this, but I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit. And they have not forget, so they give us this piece as well, so we can use it. Very good. Now, this is how we're gonna set up the paint gun for the first time, guys. First of all, we're gonna turn off counterclockwise. So we have to open this one all the way up so we can let the air go freely. We're gonna adjust it with the regulator. So we're not gonna use this one. We're gonna use the regulator. So open this one all the way open, and then we're gonna open this one as well. And then we're gonna press the handle and then keep turning until you feel. Okay, so now off. Don't touch this one, just keep it off. but open it all the way up. I'm just gonna get it close so you guys can see it. Then press the handle, and then you're gonna be spinning clockwise until you feel that there is pressure right here on this handle. So you're just gonna go little by little. Okay, now I feel you cannot turn it. That's mean now it's wide open. This one is wide open. The paint will go freely wide open. So what I do all the time now, since it's already wide open, I'm just gonna go. You can see there is a little right here one, you can tell like it's open this way, so we're just gonna go one turn. That's what I do to adjust it in the beginning. So here, and then if I see there is no paint and then want to add more, I can just open it or close it. That's dependent how I want it. Here, this is the pattern for how wide we want the paint. So we're just gonna open it all the way up. This means it's 100% open, and then I'm just gonna go a little like a quarter now, so we can have a fine pattern. Okay, so let's connect it and try it, and we're gonna test it on a real panel and see if it's really good or not. So this spray gun is recommended for the air pressure is between 2 to 2.5 bars, which is about 29 to 36 psi. Maximum air pressure is 8 bar. Psi is 116 psi as well. For the air consumption is 10.6 to 12 CFM, which is about 300 to 340 LPM. Recommended spraying distance about 200 millimeters, which is about 7.9 to 8 inch. That's how you can spray this paint gun. Recommended material temperature about 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, about 41 to 104 Fahrenheit. Compressor air connection air inlet is about 9 millimeter, which is 3.8 inch. Cap capacity that comes with it is 600 cc 20 oz. Nozzle sizes, like I said before, is 1.3, 1.5, 1.7. The patterns, like I said, is the same. With the 1.3 is about 280 to 320 millimeters, which is about 11 to 12.6 inches. Now I'm going to clean it. See how easy to clean, because many times if the paint gun is not easy to clean, that's not gonna last a long time, guys. So anytime you spray paint, you will have to clean it immediately. So we're just gonna take off this piece right here, and then I just grab this so we can take off the nozzle. So this is what I usually do. I just get a drill, put this one inside, and then I'm just gonna clean it easier. Check this one, guys. Look how easy you can clean. By the way, I'm using acetone right here. For the 1.5 nozzle millimeter, which is the pattern, it's 280 to 320, same as millimeters to inches, 11 to 12.6. For the nozzle 1.7, it's about the same thing as well. For the flow rate 1.3, it's 200 to 240 millimeters. Nozzle size 1.5 millimeters, 260 to 300 mil. Nozzle size 1.7, 300 to 340 mil as well. Okay, so for the nozzle size recommendation, guys, if you're spraying the sealant, it's recommended to use the nozzle 1.8 to 2.5, which is 1.8, 1.9, 2.0, 2.5. If you're gonna spray the primer, it's recommended to use the nozzle 1.4 or 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 to all the way to 1.8. For the clear coat is 1.2 all the way to 1.4. You can use the 1.3 as well, 1.4. So for the base coat, it's recommended 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8. If you go to a shop and you want to paint this one, they will be charging you at least $800. So what I do on my own all the time, I always buy my own tools, and I always like to buy the cheapest and the best tools at the same time for my own project and for something that will last a long time. So for that one, this paint gun will be very useful to you guys. It's very solid, very strong. The patterns are very smooth and easy to use as well. That's what you like on your paint gun, guys. If you want to check it out, much. I'm gonna drop the link on the comment section below, guys. And then if you are trying to learn how to rebuild cars, get tools, fix stuff on your own garage, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.